Mike V, Monday morning, day after the day of tariffs, if you will. Listen, here's the point. Okay. Stock picking now. You're gonna have a lot of inside days, a lot of backing and filling. What's pure? What are stocks still looking right now? Sound. Don't get spoiled with these things. Don't get, job, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. Don't get frustrated. Sound looking good. Boys, accumulating more Uber. There you go on Uber. RSI is 65. There you go to a new high. Boys are on Uber. WBD is the stock. Day delay. Should have been on everybody's radar. It's actually below now. That was it. They were buying leaps. CVS taking a lot of calls. Stock's on the low today. Okay, but you want to see something here is with CVS. What you really want to see. It pulled back a lot. Obviously, it's in the drug sector. There was a lot of news with Trump signing a pharma bill, if you will. So they're taking calls, they're buying calls into weakness on CVS. That's what you want to see. Above the moving average, if you will. And we'll leave it there. Toast worked. Listen, GTS. All right, what are we doing from here? Uber, Sound, Avago, Bag. The Olo live once. Olo. They're still in it. They're taking stocks like, I see what's going on. Land's End, a dog retailer, very thin. What else are they? Let's look at percentage gainers on the day, as a matter of fact. Let's go over the list. Let's talk out loud. Let's not cry out loud. Let's talk out loud. Okay, let's go over the list. The proverbial generic list. View, settings. If it doesn't have a million shares, I'm not interested. Should be more. AAOI. Gap and go, obviously. Same thing. You know what took bombs, bazookas? I couldn't figure it out. Cool symbol. NBIS, and it worked. All these things down here. NBIS. WRD is up there. Go over these lists. Go over these stocks, please. WRD was a good one. Sally's Beauty Supply, not in it. Wayfair, it went down on tariff, it went up on tariff. Five Below was taking bombs. They knew. You know what? Werby. Barron Trump in the room, he was buying all these things, I'm telling you. Even Run. Okay, so sure the market might pull back. Bottom line is you're having stocks that are going from 7 to 10% gainers in the last 16 minutes. UPC, Kodak, Jane Moore, not interested. TMDX. Oh, you know what I bought for the fun today? That looks good. I bought Reagan. Ronald Reagan. I think I paid what? Did I pay for Reagan before I pulled up? 528. Yeah, I did. Ronald Reagan. There we go on Reagan. What a scoop. I did pay it too. That's in the fund, by the way. Turn around, baby. Okay, Regan, now we're getting excited. You know what had earnings? And G, I remember this. G, even Jane Norm, I remember this. But you know what's even looks good? Speaking of Mick, where'd he go? He's at the track ENVX. Look at this chart, above the 50-day now. Not even could not even get going yet with the run and everything. You know what just made me look at it? Sigma Lithium just popped. You know what has earnings? The first one to take calls, one of the first ones. Booyah. Hasn't reacted, not in it. ACHR has earnings. I'm taking some. You might have seen me buy some. JYD, Junkyard Dog. JYD in the morning. Closed 22 cents. High 50. There was another one that was up like that. All right, what do you look for now in this type of market? You want to see any type of solid flow backing up the wins. TTD worked at earnings. Third day up. All right. Bottom line, stock went from 57.80. Do the math. Okay. Doesn't mean you got to catch 20 points. Doesn't mean probably not. And you know what? If you're trying to, you're not going to. Take money out of the UPC. This is the one I had my corner of my eye. The job is to make money, not be right. Okay. So when stocks have that type of move, take money out of it. It's not a tournament. Not a fishing tournament. Whoever knows fish. Trying to feed your freaking family here. This guy I just started chirping to lately. He's got a lot of followers, this guy. Gavin, 500,000. Let's see if he likes it, because I got a good idea. You know what it is? Taking calls. This is what he wants, this guy. It's got an undervalued and underperforming recently. And watch this. First time ever, this guy. He's smart, he'll reply to me. ZI. Calls. Okay, watch this. All right, you know what? Let's go to it. It is taking a lot of calls. Why would I say differently? CVS flow. There, I told you it's back. They're backing it up. ZI flow. ZI flow. Rigatonia's earnings later. I didn't like it yet, all right? He'll like it. Wake up there, buddy boy. You know what? I'll like it. When he sees a 10,000 share block go by, he might like it. You know what? It's right against the 200 day. But you know what? That's going to rest. The right thing that this thing do to shake everybody out if the market dips, maybe tomorrow, the next day, at 966, reload, pull a Dale Pinker, dip under the 200 day, and off to the races. And then you get a gap at 11, and then it's off to the races again. Oh my God. That's the playbook. I'm insulted. This guy didn't like the ZI. All right. Get to know my name, you putz. Yeah, we're heated here. I mean, the Bulls wanted a sell off in the close. The Bears want to sell off into the close. Gerard, you should have been here on Friday, or at least the last couple of days, and throwing in Jane Norm sweatshirt sent out. But I don't think Gerard wants a sweatshirt because apparently he's fat and probably doesn't want to get out the size of the sweatshirt. But that's okay, as long as he's eating good, making money in TGH. You're on Friday. Get lib. I sold Get Lib on Friday. Can't buy them all. I get it. What's the other one? RYET? Ooh. Oh no. Oh Jeff, why did you do this to me? Arwet, look at what you're doing to me. You're gonna put me in a Chinese eat. It's okay. RYET. Can I, you know what? You know what? Straight up, never heard of it. You know what that is? Bullish. There you are. Yeah, Mark. Yeah, we're gonna pull back here. What's going on here? Enough. I feel profit taking. What time is it? Into the close. Got too many things going on here. Windows open. Where's the video? Short a little of that. Why? Not quite sure. Mark. Mark. You know who was in the bombs? Mark bombs. They were bombing Mark the other day. Here's the Mark chart. You know what I mean? You know why something like that might work in Merck? Because it's not like a freaking sexy stock. It just actually might work. Bristol. All right, it's got a range, got a candle, whatever they call it thing. All right. RYET. It's in the back of my head. Let's take a look at this. Let's get serious. Jeff just wants me to buy a bunch of it to drive it up. I get it. No, I'm joking. I know he won't want me to make money. Sound. Buy 4,000 more AUR at the market. Boom. ACHR, Nvidia, Gilead, I'm up in it. Bros. Devon, I sold short. Devon, I made some nice shorts in the Devon. Shorted Devon at the top. There's a chart. They came in as a group. But you know what? Bullish. Come right back to the gap in the 50 day. But I did short it nicely up there high. Uh, they're running these dogs. The Hims was up 5. Crisper. Sound. Lift. Worked. 4. Toast. Don't burn your toast. That worked. Stocks on the launch pad still. Roblox, you might have heard of it. Postal Fitness. Uber. Roblox. Am I saying that right? Roblox? Groupon's still up like that. Oof. I sold this the other day. Oh, it gapped up again. I spy with my little eye. Mike V sold it at 16. Why? Dave. All the stocks with cool symbols. Dave worked. Tony. Rivet. I sold it at the high. That should have worked more. This stock today, you might have heard it. I had it overnight. Should be 16 today with Tesla and everything doing. Should be 16. All right, you have JM 200 day. This is a charting night. It's a good night. Excited to do more work. This guy still didn't like the ZI calls. What a, all right, you know what? Even Stewie's getting Tesla. Good trader. JD earnings tomorrow. Even Jake likes it. Good. There's a lot of pull. It does. It is what it is. 5% gainers in 60 minutes. Still. UPC, I brought up before. TDUP, that one worked again. That was a gapper and rested and up again. I had it overnight one night. Yeah. Now, Joe with these charts. You made the big time, Jeff. You're in it. Our wet. Over. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Look at that into the close. Has not close. Close it. Look at this freaking hat. Whole day. Boom. There you go. Slicer, slicer, slicer. Just slicing through cup and handles. Whatever you call that thing. You get the picture, Bob. Bitcoiner, right? Needs a day off. Everybody, oh my God. DraftKings, you're welcome. Disney, you're not welcome. Didn't have a share. Stare at it. Oh. Jeff, when I think in Disney, I think, thank God these things came back for J-Man, J-Norm, UAL, going back to the 200-day buying a dip, maybe Crude takes a day off. Delta, worst the breed. Alaska Airlines, the sexiest one out there since. It's all UAL. Usually always is. The stock has earnings and it's sexy. I love the symbol. AEVA. Something's up with this thing. Something's up. Shh, don't tell anybody. Only went up fivefold. Don't say anything. But it's cool. Yeah, but it's new. It's got to be on the screen. Just like RJet. What is it? RWET. RYET. Welcome to the club. Eva. It's on the screen, Eva. David's right here. GDS with a move. Next piff. LI, Long Island. NIO. I'm staying there. I shouldn't bring it up. Hikers trade NIO. Real men trade Pony. I'm sure it's in the video. The stock's going PCP. Had it cheap. It's all right. I shorted Gilead a little bit. I'm short a little Gilead. And you know what? I'm not going to lie to you. As I said that, I just had deja vu that I lost a lot of money in it. There's the weekly. It came up to all the weekly closes. They're all close to all the week there, right here. Here, like a machine gun. All weekly closes between like 103.70 and what? 104 and change. I'm getting fancy. Don't like it. Covering Gilead. I thought 1600 too. What an obnoxious position might be. Thinking you could do that to Gilead. I'm out. Okay. There you are, Jeff. It's taking calls. You know what? I don't know where you were in San Diego. I hope it wasn't for another operation. Isn't San Diego your doctor or something? If I hope it wasn't for an operation, bud. And if it was, I'm going to let you. They almost shook us out of you. It wasn't. AUR at seven. That was. By the way, this was Friday earnings. Now it's trying to taking calls. They don't know what to do. I wish it was over the weekly close, but I'm still in. You know what I'm doing? I'm trading instead of owning it. APH. They had bombs going into this thing too. Bombs, bazookas down here. Traders should have no opinion. I don't. I could say this another way. Harder to break a bad habit. No, harder to break a market. And then or then? Then, sorry, mom. Then a bad trading habit. Ooh, what is this thing? BKV, natural gas exploration. Never heard of this one. Bullish. Oh, new too. What is this thing? BKV, anybody left? Time out, they say everybody times out after 22 and a half minutes and then you lose. All right, well, to freaking click off. Freaking writing down a winner here. And the symbol's BKV. Put that on the screen. I'm not going to get roped into JD. I hope it goes up 8. I really do. I really do. This is Uber. Everybody's in this thing. NXT. This was the first solar, if you will, or energy stock to start acting well. I didn't take it. It was pure. Friday it was pure. Man, did I miss that one. And it's taking calls now. All right, getting close to the close. Now I'm using double negatives. NVDL. Why did I show in the video, you ask? See, the one that's short is not NVDL. Not even a short board. There's Nvidia right there to the weekly. You know what I mean? Well, if it'll over breaking highs, this into the market's falling back. They hear everybody hears it. Everybody's on TGH. They're smart. Get it. Thank you. YPF taking calls. PCT taking calls. Not interested. Hungry Hippo taking calls. ZI still breaking higher. Did Irvin listen to us? Yeah. This is like me when I was a kid. This was me. And Connor Bates, sharp motherfucker. Uber, blue skies. You're right. Did somebody like this? They didn't even like mine? I'm insulted. I'm losing it. Gotta do better. Here's one that could work. Not kidding. OM. Paper trading. OM. You should be buying a demo, getting a demo. OM will work. Get yourself a freaking TradeView demo and buy some OM. See what happens. Uber, top left, blinking the whole place. Uber, left. Skabittle, the video. I'm gonna leave it there. There's the board. Solar's giving a little bit back, although Fizzler, and that took calls too. Fizzler's hanging in there up 10. What's going on with these? They took a little profit. EMPH going the other way. Huge range, 54 to 47. Oh my God, Solar's. Oh, short AR. Where's AR? I am short this thing. I don't like it. There you are. Buy more. On 2,000. The video, don't want it short. Cover it. Whatever. There you are. 15,500 is a very uncomfortable number for me because it's even. You good, everyone? Gotta ask. It was the, I'll leave at least I'll leave it with this. Week ago, Five Below, bombs. JP Morgan. Where are those? And these are all good. Hims, take a gander. Uber, take a gander. Oh my God, what a list. Daughters in San Diego. Good for you, Jeff. Thanks for sharing. I see CF. You know what I saw CFLT? I saw that coming up to the 200-day again. It's a similar chart. I saw that before. I saw that chart. I get CFLT. I get it. When I look at that, then I think of this one. Oh, Doji. What is that, an island topper, coach? I don't know. Thought it in San Diego. Very good. Good spot. It's near Delmar. You go to Delmar? Take the lunch in Delmar. Don't know my V. I'm not kidding. CMP. Saw this compass minimums. I saw this. It's in the list. I wrote it down. Yeah, I wrote it down 18. Still with an example of what the market's doing. I'll leave it there. CLFD. Hold on. Oh my God. The more people that don't like my replies. ZI taking calls. You want one? First of all, I meant it when now I'm thinking back, and I know it's in the back of my head. ZI, what I said was really what you want for back and fill. OM, that will work. Uber's the one. Sound, is it above 11.15? They're gonna buy this thing down anyway, okay? This might not go, like I said, we're getting spoiled a little bit with the moves. That's pure. It's got a better chance of opening up $1 than opening down 20 cents, 30 cents. That type of thing, all right? Can't get them right all the time, but that's what you look for, okay? Not a lock. Sound, here we go. Jesus brought it up, not me. Right here. Well, I'm getting hot again. Sound bullish. Sound bullish. June 13, June 25th. The VIX. What is this thing? Oh, T-Dex, I get it. You know what to do. Thanks to the team behind me, Tradeview Markets. Majority of the team is in Dubai in the new Dubai office. Watch all our social media across the board. Very interesting. It's what we do. Cheers.